Hello, and welcome back to the Money Zone, now with an even lower opportunity cost. I could really go for a strawberry milkshake right about now, but where does it come from? Well, I could pull up to the local Dairy Queen and ask for a strawberry milkshake, and they'd give me one, so using the scientific method, I could deduce that the strawberry milkshake comes directly from my local Dairy Queen. Wrong. It turns out, using the actual scientific method, we can see that the strawberries come from Mexico, and the sugar comes from the Dominican Republic, and the milk comes from Italy, and the cup comes from Finland, and the polysorbate 80 and artificial flavor both come from the moon, probably. Wow, this isn't a local Dairy Queen, it's like an airport. So why are so many things being imported to make my strawberry milkshake? Well, the short answer is money. The longer answer is that it helps people to make more money. One way that this is achieved is by outsourcing the production of certain things to places that can make them for cheaper or more efficiently. This way, companies can focus more resources on what they do better themselves. This can be shown more concretely by finding the opportunity cost, the ratio between the cost of doing one thing and the cost of doing an alternative thing. The lowest opportunity cost wins the grand prize of making the thing, since with the same input costs, they could make more of it as opposed to something else. Apple is the most valuable company in the world, and they make sure to think about this. iPhones account for over half of Apple's annual revenue, and most of the components are manufactured all over the world, from Japan to South Korea to Australia. And until recently, iPhones were mostly assembled in China, but now they're moving some production to India. This was a mutually beneficial decision that gave both countries what they were looking for. But the iPhone itself is still designed by Apple in California, since their opportunity cost for doing so is lower than for others. And at the end of the process, the iPhones are exported back to many countries around the world. Through international trade, Apple and many other companies are able to pay less for certain imports and then can charge more for the exports. International trade is very important in many different industries and is very important to me because it allows me to get a wonderful strawberry milkshake at my local Dairy Queen.